Hello guys, let's destroy the lonely god. Sorry, lonely god. Now last time I rebirth, but right now I will gonna destroy this. And just okay, let's get all the crystal bounty and destroy this fucking what lonely god. Okay, let's go in. Yay! Okay, don't destroy. Okay, so easy, bro. Guys, and I want to please subscribe and click the like button. And if we're 400 subscribers, I'm Pacer Bill. I'm Pacer Billing, guys. Okay, let's destroy this fucking lonely god. What time is it? 10 to. Okay, guys. So fucking bitch. I want to destroy this god fucking god. So okay guys, so I'm sorry why I'm swearing because I am angry. Hey. Okay, it's okay. Oh, there's got some blood fruits. I need blood fruits. Okay, collect all these fucking bitch. Fucking golden essence. Okay. Let's cook this 21. I was just joking. Don't cook it. Okay, we'll have 117 crystal chunk, and we'll have 39 magnetite, and we'll have spirit key for it's 5, but it's 5, but I'm destroyed the crystal guardian, and I put it, and we'll have 39 emerald, and we'll have 39 magnetite, and we'll have 163 gold, and we'll have 21 raw gold. And we'll have one rebirth, the one rebirth, and we'll have 91 gold. I want to collect this fucking ant bag and this ant rock, and I want to collect that because I want to be like ant, but I have glory. This is the glory. I don't want to wear it because I look stupid. Okay, we're going there. Let's destroy all these crystal, and we're going all god and destroy it because I want to level up. Okay. I think we're going first. I will collect the god axe, and I will gonna full set of armor of god, and we're collect, and we're rebirth 3 times, and we'll get that fucking god rock. Okay. Okay, the last crystal to get. The last crystal fucking bitch boy. Okay guys, so I'm playing in my phone, but this is Samsung, but it's okay. But my iPhone is my iPhone was have that, but I can't play with my iPhone. Okay, that's it. Okay, where's the old god here? Let's go, and then we're going on old god. We're close. Okay, we're doing progress. I like this gameplay, guys. This name of Roblox are Boga Boga Reborn. If you want to play it, click collect download Roblox, and search, make your own account. And if you have account, search Boga Boga. And that's the Boga Boga, the brand. And search Boga Boga. And I will gonna make this vlog. Tomorrow I will okay guys, sorry, my my sorry, my tito is loud. Okay, so okay. Aunt Arl can destroy me. Oh God, no. Okay, I have so many gold here. I need to collect now. I need to collect that God axe and God rock and full set of armor to get PvP. But I can't PvP. I can PvP in PC, but sorry guys. I need to I need to buy some PC on my mom. But my mom said that's not the space in house. That's okay for me. I will go in home shop and I will gonna. But the home shop here are so malayo. Okay guys, so destroy this all god fucking bitch, all god. It's so speedy if you're using God axe or God pick. Okay, that's all. Good morning, who is that? Okay, my name is Sol. My name is School. Okay, collect this all essence. Check this essence name. Collect all this essence. What the fuck are they do? What the fuck is that essence? I think I will gonna go there. And I will gonna destroy that fucking hateful god. And I will gonna destroy. And I will gonna collect first all the gold here. Because I need gold. Many gold as I can. Still helmet. If you're beginner, first you need get the water walker because that need one mojo, and if you get that you need to earn 2 mojo. It is a mojo, this violet. And if you have 3 mojo, you need to make 2 mojo and you can get the god pick. Just click this K. Just click J if you're rebirthing. Z. Oh my god, bridge. My bridge is destroyed in one hit and I don't wanna hit it. I am that fucking bitch and really. Sorry guys, I'm in Philippines. I'm from Philippines, sorry guys, but I like to English. Okay, it's so easy to access it. Okay, destroy this fucking hateful god. And then, but we're going anymore. We're not leaving because later I have some school because that's where school have some water on it because there's have some tycoon. I was just joking. There's not have some tycoon. Kids are just raining every day. Okay, and then there's also aha. And then later on I have some school on 12, but there's no 12 because 10, 11. this so loud noise? What the fuck? Just make me unhappy. I am making videos here. Please shut up. Okay, I will gonna eat first some meat. And then... Okay, collect all of this essence. Fucking bitch. Essence. I don't need some fucking Adderite like now. Because I have Adderite 29. I was one. God have revert, two revert. I have two revert. But I'm drop it because I don't need it. Because I don't need it. This fucking Adderite boy. I using it, but I like Adderite too, but I don't want to use it. Because God are the most good at here. You know? God are the most. My name of my pick are God pick, not are a God. Fucking hell no. I want to cook all my golds. Fucking gold. Okay, we're gonna cook all my... This is mine, guys. Don't worry. I'm done robbing anything. This is mine. I have extra campfire. Unit campfire and some chests. These are chests. This box of this fucking box. And you will put that on gold. If you're cooking, put all in chest and then wait and close. And then close your chest and then that's good for me. And then because beginner using this hack, don't need this hack on Boga Boga if there's a robbing or some robbing randomized people. Okay, let's collect some wood to get some to make fire. Okay, need more woods and leaves. Okay, we're doing progress again. I have so much doing progress on this game, but my old account have hack. There's have Godox and some water walker, but I don't use God pick there. But I using but I don't use God pick there. I use Godox there and water walker. If you click K again on Boga Boga, and then if you go here, if you see this fucking two, these are God pick and these are God axe. Two modules, and I got this two modules. This fucking God pick. It's are the same damage, 50 damage are the same fucking bitch. Oh my god, guys, this is mine, but don't worry, that are mine. I mean that's mine. That wall and that's mine. Don't worry. Oh my god, bro. I want to destroy that fucking head. I want to destroy that sleeping god. Let's destroy the sleeping god, guys. Fucking bitch, sleeping god. But I don't. No. I want to break the miserable god. Miserable god, I am here to destroy your fucking bitch. I need your crystal and your essence and your blue fruit. Isano bitch. I need that all. Isano bitch. In this skylands, there's some miserable god and some crystal. Loud. Oh my god, bro. Sorry, because I am loud. Because I like it. But let's destroy this crystal load and let's destroy all this crystal load and destroy that fucking miserable god. Okay. Okay, we are the most, you know, that's playing Boga Boga. And JJ Gaming, you know them. I subscribe them. You need to subscribe them to see me again. Because I subscribe them. And then we're destroying all these. When I was like I have 0 bucks, but it's hack again. Fucking hack. I know who hacked that account, but that have Gadax and Water Walker. I mean what Water Walker. But what the fuck? They hack in a, they are hack because they are so bad. Because in the computer shop there's a hacker. If you're have Robux there, they hack it. But if you're not, they're not hack it because they because they they because they because they are want Robux, but they didn't know. But my mom don't. My mom buy Robux, but the hacking. But I don't want to buy some Robux, but I want to buy some Robux again. I will buy right now. When I was okay, all this meat because we're starved. A crystal meteor is falling from the sky. We need that fucking crystal. Wait for me, crystal. I will gonna destroy the miserable god. Fucking miserable. Okay. Miserable god. Okay. Okay guys, sorry. I don't wanna say anymore. I mean timeout. I don't wanna say. I mean what the fuck? Okay, I don't wanna say no. Okay. Oh. Okay guys, so we're going. Wait guys, so I have some doing. Sorry, I have some doing. Sorry guys, I'm back. I have to pee. Sorry, I just pee because I'm peeing. I need to pee. Okay, you need to destroy this fucking miserable brad. What the fuck? There's a big glitch again and then. Oh my god, bro. There's so many crystal. Need some blue fruit too because I need to eat. Fucking. I think I will gonna collect that fucking god bag or something. But I want to collect that fucking god bag. And then there's some fucking essence. There's some in the dock. I think I will gonna collect that fucking god hollow, god chest plate, or god legs, or god rock. Oh, 3 modules I can collect. I can't buy it. I think I can buy that fucking. Oh my god, I will gonna buy this module and this survivalist because he said because 50% slower Hungry Day plus 1 HP regeneration per second. That's good for me. All that glitters. This Shelly Compound will dig a random ore. Are you serious? This paper campaign will lay eggs. Oh, yung luto na. Infinity chest. One module. Yo. Okay guys, sorry guys. Okay. I will gonna collect some feather. These are beginner leveling. They give you essence. These fucking bushes. And this give you unlimited. If this give you 10 more. Or 2. I made 2. What the fuck? I am not good. I'm good at this game, guys. Sorry. But I need to... What the fuck? I have glitch there. Okay, we're going here. We're going at the Sun Island. Where my base at. This is not my base. This is my leveling. I need to level more. If you destroyed the ancient tree, 30,000, 4,000 or 30,000 life help. If you destroyed it, he give you some many essence, but I don't wanna because it's so take long if you use pink diamond. No access. If you fucking use pink diamond, but I need to use that fucking Galax. Did you see? 30,000 life. You can destroy that because that's take long. Okay. I'm gonna destroy that fucking crystal guardian and fucking bitch golden banto here. Okay, fucking banto, you son of a bitch. Okay, so many coins. I don't need this anymore, fucking bitch. Is there? What the fuck? Where are you going at? Oh yes, this fucking crystal guardian. He is always walk or flying. He is always flying if you're damage him, and he is stick. And if you are damaging him, if you are not damage him, he is moving along take, and he's moving. If him moving, he need to press on there, and I will gonna destroy this fucking crystal guardian. Okay, it's destroyed. Okay, spirit key. What the fuck? Spirit keys. Oh my god, bruh. Where's that fucking crystal? Oh my god, where's that fucking crystal? Huh? Oh my god, I have a glitch. Or I have lag. Oh my god, bro. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Sorry. Okay, bye. And bye. See you on tomorrow. Bye.